Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today we have the myGEKO Orbit 960 dashcam. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and select all notifications for all upcoming videos. Just a reminder, the product links are in the description for you to purchase. If you're not new to this channel, well, welcome back. Well, the Orbit 960 is a 4K Ultra HD dashcam. It can record at a 3840 by 2160 at 30 frames per second, which means you're not going to miss any details with this dashcam. The dashcam comes with the 140 degrees wide angle lens, which can cover up to 4 lanes, which gets you a great view of the road ahead of you. It also comes with a Sony Starvis lens, which gives you clear video in low light settings. It also comes with WDR technology, which is also known as wide dynamic range. This improves the camera's ability to capture details clearly in daytime and in nighttime. The dashcam comes with a 16 gigabyte micro SD card, which is included. This is just to get you started. The dashcam can support up to a 512 gigabyte. So getting the larger card will get you. It also comes with loop recording. With loop recording, it would automatically delete the oldest video without you having to reformat or delete any files. With loop recording, you could set this to 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute loop recording. It's pretty much your choice. My recommendation, keep it at 5 minutes. And with loop recording, it's not going to delete any of your locked files, your emergency files. It's not going to delete those. If you want more information on loop recording, or you're not sure how loop recording works, I'll put a link up here for you to view. I got a lot of information on loop recording. The dashcam also comes with G sensor, also known as gravity sensor. The G sensor will automatically detect if there's a collision or a shake in your vehicle. Well, what does that mean? Well, for a collision, that's obvious. You get an accident, it will lock that current video and would not be overridden by loop recording. Now, if you have a shake, well, what is a shake? A shake is like a grocery cart hitting your car, speed bumps, potholes. All of those take effect in your G sensor and lock those videos. Your G sensor can be set to low, medium, or high. Again, if you're new to dashcams, I'll have a link on G sensor. It gives you a lot of information on how that works, because loop recording and G sensor work together. And if you're not sure about this, you got to review those videos. It'll give you a lot of helping hands on that. The dashcam also comes with an app called myGEKO. With the app, you could adjust the settings for the dashcam without even touching your dashcam. You could pretty much adjust everything in the menu. The app, you could also review your files. You could review your loop recordings, your emergency videos, which are your locked videos, and you could also review your photos. Now, after reviewing all your files, you could actually share the videos or photos in your app. But what my recommendation is, go ahead and download the videos to your phone, because with the app, you could do that. All the videos and photos that are in your dashcam, you could download them to your phone. Once you download them to your phone, it's much easier to share those files. With this app, you could also create a tracking file. So if you're a truck driver or delivery driver and you have certain routes you do a day and you have to log them, because I'm a vendor and I also do a lot of logging and sometimes I forget. Well, with this app, you could start your drive, track it all, and then at the end, if you missed a location, you could simply use the app and it will track all the directions of where you went, and you could track it then. So this is a very good, helpful tool. This dashcam also comes with driver assist features. It comes with driver fatigue warning, where you could set this to 1 hour, 4 hours, or 8 hours. For example, if you set this to 4 hours and you've been driving, alarm comes on, and then you could do your rest. Now, another good thing about this is if you switch drivers. Now, you could set this to 1 hour. So after an hour of driving, alarm comes on, and then you get to switch drivers. So this is a pretty good helpful tool. It also comes with front collision warning system. So if you're coming to a red light and there's a car in front of you, as you get closer, it'll let you know, like, hey, you're getting close. It will notify you. Now, it's not going to stop your car. It's just a notification system, which is, again, the warning system. Which comes next is the lane departure warning system. So if you're driving over 40 miles an hour and you start drifting to a lane, which is pretty much you're switching lanes, it will notify you like, hey, you're switching a lane. This is just a warning system to promote safe driving habits. Because, you know, we could be caught up in a conversation on a hands-free phone, or kids in the car, or you're trying to find a location and you're not paying attention to the car in front of you, or as you're drifting, this dash cam will give you a warning system. Which to me, these warning systems in a dash cam is a great tool. Next, you have GPS logging. What this does is records the accurate GPS location and driving speed of your vehicle. Now this is very good during accidents. I was in an accident where a car went into my lane. We went through the insurance, and their insurance was saying that I'm partially at fault because I probably sped up or I didn't brake. And I was like, nope. I showed them the video. On my video, it has the miles per hour, which was the GPS logging. And it actually showed that I did not decrease any speed, that I in fact lowered my speed during that accident. So I was not at fault. So this was very helpful during my claim to the other car's insurance. Now this is good for truck drivers, delivery drivers, or even for myself who's a vendor, where I go to different locations and sometimes I forget to log in a location. But if I use this app and I track my locations where I go, when I miss something, I can go back to this video or this tracking and it will tell me exactly where I went. So for me, for routing the miles where I need to go, this was a good tool for me. The dash cam also comes with motion detection and park mode. And he's going to start tapping on the window and it's going to start braking. Now the motion detection does detect this. Now here's another video which we're always at the supermarkets or department stores, and you're always worried about how you got these scratches on the car. Well, with this park mode, it will do that, but you need a hardwire kit. The hardwire kit keeps your car dash cam running, but without losing any of your car battery power. Once it detects a load lower, I think it's 11.6 volts, it would stop recording or stop letting power to the dash cam. That way, when you get back to your car, you could turn it on. Dash cams only come with a small charge, where if something happens, it'll pick up a little 10 to 15 second video. That's only if it doesn't lose any charge within that time, because you got to have the car power plugged in all times. That's why a hardwire kit will work for the park mode and the motion detection. Next, I'm going to show you how I install this dash cam in my vehicle. That was a pretty quick video on how I installed the dash cam in my vehicle. If you want a step-by-step video on how I did this, subscribe to this channel, select all notifications because that video is coming up soon. Next, we're going to get into some driving footage. So what you think about that driving footage? Is this the right dash camera for you? If it is, don't forget, I put the links in the description down below for you to purchase. I also have the unboxing of this dash cam. Just subscribe to my channel and look for that video. If you have any questions or comments about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. If this video was helpful for you, if it was, give me that thumbs up. I appreciate that from you, and it also helps me out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and select all notifications for all upcoming videos. I also have another video coming about how to use the app. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.